My name is Carrie Lee. I'm from Austin, and I currently work at Vane. Pony education is rad. I love the educators. I love the attention to detail, and I am coming from kind of a Vidal background, so it's nice to just like have a different approach to hair, like to go in like thinking about it differently besides like this section. Not that there's not great value in all of that, but yeah, it's just more of an artistic way to train your eye and to just kind of make like all your things kind of signature to you as a stylist. Believe it or not, my big like aha moment this last 2 days was putting my fingertip on the back of the blade when I'm cutting up. The upstroke has always kind of been my like freak out moment, and that was literally like a game changer. Just that one little like boop. Oh, okay, that works so much better. So that's really like my big takeaway, honestly. Like that was a game changer for me. If you didn't know about hair and you just watch them cut, it looks very like free-formed and very artsy, you know, just like, but like they have this like highly trained eye, and all of the foundations that all of us have learned are still there. It's just, again, like the artistic approach of the educators. Anytime I've taken pony education is what makes them stand out for me.